Medicines help us to fight disease, but the job of remaining healthy is carried out by the human beings itself. The human body is self-sufficient in nature. Our systems are constructed in such a way that if we get enough nutrients for our tissues and cells, and if our blood circulates well, if our breathing is correct, and if we expel toxins and waste materials properly and regularly, we can enjoy a full lifespan. Most diseases are the result of wrong eating habits. By changing our food habits and understanding the qualities of food and how they interact with each other, we can maintain our body without the medicines. So, the right food is the only key to good health. Indian kitchen has hundreds of ingredients in the form of herbs and spices which has its own medicinal benefits. Each of the ingredients has its own role to play. When we understand the properties of these ingredients and use them effectively, then we can stay in the best of our health. Though the list of Indian kitchen ingredients is too big, some of them are mentioned below with their properties. Fenugreek seeds. Methi dana contains all micronutrients, that is vitamins and minerals, especially iron, manganese and B vitamins. It also has little protein and calcium. Helps in diabetes management, it aids in weight loss, helps to overcome menstrual cramp, promotes heart health, supports hair growth. Cumin seeds. Zira provides daily value of fat, MUFA. It has vitamin B and E and several minerals, especially iron and magnesium. Cumin seeds contain petroselenic acid. This acid helps in moisturizing the skin, anti-aging agent and a skin irritation reducing agent. It promotes digestion, prevents foodborne illnesses and improves blood cholesterol. Carom seeds. Ajwain is rich in vitamins and minerals. Ajwain gives instant relief from acidity and indigestion. Treats common cold, good for ear and toothache and also for cleaning wound. It can also be used as mosquito repellent and eases the pain due to arthritis. Poppy seeds. Opium is a main component present inside a poppy seed pod. It is milk fluid and contains morphine, codeine, thebaine, naloxone. Morphine acts directly on the central nervous system to decrease the feeling of pain. Codeine is a suppressant which helps in suppressing moderate pain. Rich in thiamine, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc. Cloves. Cloves are one of the most flavoring agents. Cloves have antioxidant, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory properties. They are also high in various vitamins, minerals such as sodium, potassium, iron and calcium. The benefits include it helps in relieving toothaches, reduces cough, asthma, bronchitis, reduces stress and reduces infections, wounds and insect bites. Cardamom. This aromatic spice is also known as the queen of spices. It has antioxidant, antiseptic properties. Cardamom also is a good source of minerals such as potassium, calcium, copper, iron and magnesium. The benefits of cardamom are: it helps in reducing stress levels, eases muscle tension, combats bad breath and mouth ulcers, relieves indigestion and nausea. Ginger. The unique fragrance and flavor of ginger come from its natural oils, the most important being the gingerols, the main bioactive compounds that gives ginger its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Cooking ginger further breaks down the gingerols into shogols, another active biocompound that is effective against coughs. Ginger aids digestion, relieves muscular pains including menstrual pains, and it is also a cough suppressant. Garlic. Garlic contains over 2000 biologically active compounds. When garlic is crushed, chopped or chewed, it releases allicin, which in turn reacts and produces allicin, a highly reactive sulfur compound that makes garlic medicinal. Benefits include it naturally deworms and detoxifies the body, regulates HDL and blood pressure, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine that increases the body's nutrient absorption capacity. which means that you get more out of the food that you ingest. Piperine improves our body's thermogenesis, the process of breaking down fat cells to produce heat, which also increases your metabolism. Black pepper keeps the body warm, fights infection, and protects against inflammation. Cinnamon. I love this spice and it seems to be the number one for fall in my book. The smell of cinnamon is exactly what I think for fall. Cinnamon has antioxidant, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, carminative and anti-flagellant properties. This spice is also an excellent source of minerals such as potassium, calcium, iron, zinc and copper along with vitamin A. Cinnamon helps in control blood sugar levels, reduces digestive problems, improves brain function, slows spoiling of food. Lemon. Not only lemons are used to make delicious lemonade or to add zest to a dish, but they have great medicinal benefits as well. Lemon is known for its antioxidant properties along with immune boosting powers. It also has main nourishing nutrients like vitamin C and folate. Lemon has a multitude of uses such as it helps in insect bites, it helps combat dandruff and other dry skin issues, dental problems and headaches. Turmeric. This is the most important weapon in the Indian kitchen. Very low amount of protein and fat. They have little carbohydrate, manganese, iron, potassium, vitamin C, etc. The plant from ginger family is effective for arthritis, stomachache, heartburn, liver disease, lung infection and Alzheimer's disease. It is considered helpful in treating infection, bruises, cuts and injuries.
So you can see these are the wonderful medicines found in almost every kitchen which were actually considered as just spices that add flavor to your food. Want to gain more such knowledge? Then subscribe, share and like. And don't forget to drop your valuable feedback. Thank you.